We've prepared this short demonstration to help you understand how to access data using our Racial Wealth Equity Database. I'm curious about trends in Black households over the last decade as it relates to net worth. Let's start with the Assets and Debt Explore data page. I'm going to select National because I want to look at the data on a national level. I could also select State or Local to jump to charts that display data in more specific geographic areas. This time series chart spans the years 2007 to 2019. I can look at 3 indicators: average total assets, debt, and net worth, with data sourced from the U.S. Federal Reserve Survey of Consumer Finances and the U.S. Census Bureau. I can also filter by education, sex, and age. I want to see how the debt of Black households compares to that of all other households. I will select Debt and make sure that the filters are set to All. I can see that Black households had the lowest average debt compared to all other households, with a value of approximately $108,000 in 2007 to a value of approximately $84,000 in 2019. If I want to explore the types of assets and debt held by households on a national level, I will look at the bar charts. I use the Assets bar chart to see that the average value of retirement accounts of Black households in 2019 is nearly $110,000. I can use the Debt bar chart to see that in the same year, the average debt value of education loans in Black households is close to $45,000. Finally, let's get a picture of data at a local level by looking at some of the details around owner-occupied housing units in a particular zip code. By filtering for zip code and then typing the zip code into the search bar on the map, we're using Cleveland in today's example. I can find what I'm looking for. In zip code 44114, 26.6% of the population is Black, and 14.1% of Black households in that zip code own a home. You will also see that while the median income of the zip code is $43,159, the median income for Black households in that zip code is $15,686. Having access to the Racial Wealth Equity Database gives me reliable and up-to-date data to understand the differences in wealth that impact Black people and communities the most, and provides insight into how they differ across cities and states.